Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com. Today we're making salsa roja para enchiladas, homemade red enchilada sauce. It's amazing, it's delicious. The sauce is obviously for enchiladas. You can make beef, chicken, pork, anything you like with these. So let's hurry and get started. This is the same recipe I've been using for years with a couple of minor tweaks. I would like for you to use dried chilies for this sauce. You may use guajillo chilies, which is what I use for this recipe, or ancho chilies. Either or works perfectly. For my shredded beef enchilada video, I used ancho chilies. So all you want to do is cover the chilies with boiling water and let them sit for 15 minutes or until they're completely softened. I find it easier to remove the stems and seeds once the chilies soften. Just make sure to remove the stems and seeds. If you don't remove them, it will be super spicy. It doesn't matter if the chilies rip, everything will get blended in the end. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how many seeds these innocent looking chilies actually contain. You want to rough chop the onions and tomatoes. Remember, we're going to blend everything later, so I just gave it the laziest chop ever. Threw it into a hot skillet with some oil. I cooked the onions and tomatoes for about 10 minutes on high heat. Seasoned with salt and pepper. I smashed the garlic cloves. I used about 5 garlic cloves, because it's very easy for the garlic to just get lost within the chilies. I use so many chilies. Good thing. You want the flavor to come from the fresh vegetables and chilies. You don't want a pot of water and spices. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you may tweak this any way you'd like. You can actually add some chocolate to this. Yes, I know. I know a few people that do that. But whatever you do, make sure to use dried chilies. I also threw in 2 chipotle peppers. Make sure to remove the seeds. You may leave a couple in for a little bit of spice, and throw in some adobo sauce as well. So I'm talking about the chipotle peppers that come in adobo sauce canned. I usually use a food processor for this, but this time around I just used a blender. Make sure to let the onion and chili mixture cool a bit before adding it to the blender, and then you just want to blend it as smooth as possible. Pour in the water little by little. You may use vegetable stock. I just used water. And now we are going to pass this through a sieve. This is way too chunky, and enchilada sauce is supposed to be really runny and smooth. Turn the heat back on, and now you want to season the sauce with cumin, salt, pepper, and chili powder if it's not as spicy as you'd like. This makes about 6 cups of sauce, which is great. You can, of course, double or triple the recipe. The exact recipe will be over on my website, cookedbyjulie.com, and you want to simmer this sauce for about 5 minutes or until it's nice and hot. I cannot wait to share my ground beef enchilada and then my vegetable enchiladas using this exact sauce. This sauce is so good. Definitely give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.